film a bit, get a few thumbnails.
So savage.
Right, here we are. Game 20. Ding Dongs versus.
You're not even in it now, dude.
Game 20. Ding Dongs versus. Who are we playing? Chelsea.
We'll just edit that into it. Right, here we go then, lads. Big game, first game of the season. We like to start with a win. Our promotion. Toby's out of the blocks pretty quick today. Right, so the team today: Dean Robinson, Blackburn-born Rory Clark, the gaffer Gron. Not so soft today. Good to see. Oh, that was a bit soft. Got TZ, Free, Dongley, Griffey. Yeah, we've got a bit of running about us today. Good to see. Oh, Roy! Oh my God!
It's the sound he's getting used to hearing on Premier League grounds. Suarez! Oh, that's magnificent!
Top bins. Oh! Oh! Just getting stuck in nicely today. Oh my God! Dean! Oh! Slippy out there! Oh, Diane! Diane, Dave would be proud. You can move. So. Oh. Oh. Dean. Got a bit of running about us today. Oh. Oh, Chris.
Just there and take Sean off 1-0.
Sean back on. Go on, get off.
Oh, that's off his shoulder! Oh, Chris! Let's go again. Sean!
Go on! Oh! Gonna get.
No!
Oh my God! The whole team, no! Yeah, everyone put him off. Oh. Go on,
Here now, boys, someone's got a drop.
Oh, that.
Diag.
Where's Dave when you need him?
Run him now, he's got more energy today. He's off those shifts at Boomers.
Oh, Gron! Oh my God, a bit of Rihanna.
Gron, mate. Oh, yeah.
John, get back! Get back!
Back, boys. Gron, get back.
You gotta chase back. All right, let's go again. We got time. We got talent.
It's 0-0.
Oh no. Could have gone, Griff.
Get back, boys! Ow!
Unlucky, Griff.
Blackburn! Ah, Rory, lad. Celebrate! Yeah. Proper full kit. No! Piss! Bloody hell, Tobe.
Fucking hell.
Shot count, is that 20?
I know.
Hit that
Come on.
fucking target.
This is it. Blow that whistle. There we go. Oh,
Deserve more.
we did deserve more, but we'll take it.
Alright, I blame myself for that one. Obviously, TZ3. Getting greedy. Balkan season.
Hey, still.
Oh, that touch.
Imagine your
Story of today's game.
that's your best touch today. Hey, it's your camera. You're getting wet.
Till next time. Hey.
Dong. Dynamic duo.